Your Galaxy tablet has a feature called Maintenance Mode, and it's designed specifically for the scenarios where you hand your tablet to a repair technician or even a friend who's going to be working on it to fix something. Let's check out how this works and what it does. To access Maintenance Mode, we'll go to Settings first, and then from the left sidebar, we'll scroll down to Device Care. Once you're in the Device Care settings, you'll scroll down, and all the way on the bottom, you'll find Maintenance Mode. You'll get a little preview explaining what it does. Basically, it's designed to protect your privacy while someone else has their hands on your tablet. Your photos, messages, and accounts like email will be completely hidden. Only the pre-installed Samsung apps will be available, and anything the technician downloads or changes while in this mode will be instantly wiped once you exit Maintenance Mode. They also can't exit Maintenance Mode on their own because your personal PIN code will be needed for that. When you turn on Maintenance Mode, you'll get a pop-up telling you the tablet needs to restart, and you'll have an option to create a log file. The log file will show crash reports and things like that, and it can help the repair tech to see recent app errors without seeing your personal data. It never hurts to have the log file, even if it's not needed, so I'll leave that option enabled. The restart takes a couple of minutes, and after that, your tablet will start up in Maintenance Mode. It'll look different with the default wallpaper, default apps, and a little Maintenance Mode text on the bottom. The technician can do their thing and use this mode to confirm everything works. Once you're ready to return to your normal profile, you'll swipe down from the top left corner to open the notification shade. You'll see a notification saying the tablet is in maintenance mode, and you can tap the notification to switch back to your normal profile. You'll get a confirmation window explaining what happens next. Basically, that everything is going back to normal, and any changes and data downloaded in maintenance mode will be erased. You'll then restart, confirm with your PIN, which ensures the maintenance tech doesn't go poking around your profile on their own. This needs to be done by you. And then the tablet starts up in your regular profile, like it always does. And that's it. One thing also worth mentioning is that it's always a good idea to back up all your files before doing any kind of maintenance. If you scroll down when first turning on maintenance mode, there's an option to back up your tablet to the cloud or to an external storage device. That's all I got. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you all in the next video.